Hello and welcome back to another amazing video here at IXCLUSV. Today, we are going to be talking about another stock split. It seems that there have been a lot of stock splits this year, and I'm going to talk about another one that's coming up later this year. This one is going to be about LAM research. So that's LAM research. Now, first, we're just going to do a quick preview and talk a little bit about what LAM research is, and so that way you can have a better understanding of the company. And then we'll talk more about the stock split. So to jump right in it, at LAM Research, when you go to a main page, it says, what does it mean to achieve the unthinkable? Complexity excites us. Collaboration drives us. At LAM, we relentlessly pursue innovation that pushes the boundaries of technical limitations, creating solutions that enable chip makers to power progress. No matter what innovation means to you, we won't stop until it's proven. And as you can see here to the right, they have a video showing some of their labs and some of the different products and the way that they make it. Keep in mind this link will be in the description below. So if you do want to dive more into the company and learn more about what it does and how it does it, you can use that link below listed in the description. So we're going to go ahead and explore LAM real quick here. And while we're waiting for this page to load, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell icon so that you can be notified of future uploads. Now, real quick here on the right for the key facts, you'll see that this company was founded back in January of 1980. For its 2023 revenue, it was over $14 billion. It looks like they invested about $1.7 billion in research and development, over 17,000 plus employees. And the headquarters is in Fremont, California. The stock ticker, which is LRCX, which you can see here, has been always performing. So if you look at the max, 5-year, 1 year, year-to-date, 6-month, 1 month, and even the current price, you'll see that it's always trending up. It is a semiconductor company, so with semiconductors being needed more for technology, that whole entire industry has been going up lately. Now, as you can see at the time of this recording, which is July 13th at around 5:30 p.m. here Eastern, it is priced at $1,069.82. So just keep that in mind. If you decide, if you can't afford it, some people choose to buy before the stock split. Some people tend to wait after the stock split when it becomes more affordable, but totally up to you. Now you see their mission here is to drive semiconductor breakthroughs that define the next generation. If we go to the products and we just click on the products overview here, you'll see that virtually every leading edge device has been made using their equipment. So advanced microchips are in many of the familiar products that we use today, from mobile phones and computing devices to entertainment systems and increasingly smart cars. Electronic products are everywhere, and life without them is unimaginable. Creating the tiny complex chips used in these devices involve the repetition of core set of processes and includes hundreds of individual steps. For successful production, semiconductor manufacturers require sophisticated processes and fabrication equipment. We work closely with customers to deliver the products and technologies needed to enable their success. By offering critical chip processing capabilities, our products provide a vital link between the visionary designs for the latest electronic devices and the companies that produce them. So if you scroll down on that page more, you'll find a lot more information. Just to briefly scroll through here, when it comes to the products that they offer, they have a wide variety, but just to briefly summarize, it's chips, semiconductors. So things that are using technology, as I mentioned earlier, and as you can see, they have a wide variety of them. So what we're going to do here now is we're just going to go to click on investors, and we're going to go to press releases. So as you can see, they have a list of different articles as far as their press release. Just recently on July 10th, they'll be announcing their June 2024 quarterly financial conference. That's going to be July 31st. If you are interested in seeing how profitable the company is and how they're doing each quarter, that may be a call that you might want to jump on. It looks like it's going to be about 2 p.m. Pacific. But we're going to scroll down to this option right here. So on May 21st, 2024, LAM Research Corporation announces 10 billion share repurchase authorization and a 10-for-1 stock split. So a lot of companies doing stock splits, but to jump into this one, this is coming straight out of the headquarters out of Fremont, California on May 21st. Let me, of course, you all know me, I have to zoom in just a little bit. Okay. So LAM Research Corporation, ticker symbol LRCX, today announced that its board of directors approved a $10 billion share repurchase authorization and a forward split of its outstanding shares of common stock at a ratio of 10-to-1. So that means if you have one share of LAM Research, which, as I mentioned, is floating over $1,000 at this point, once the stock split occurs, you'll have 10 shares. So the share repurchase authorization announced today will execute over a indeterminate period of time and is consistent with our plan to return 75% to 100% of free cash flow to stockholders in the form of dividends and share buybacks. Furthermore, the stock split announced today will enable a larger proportion of LAM's worldwide employee base to participate in the company's employee stock plans. The company is authorized to repurchase up to $10 billion of common stock. The new share repurchase authorization supplements the remaining balances from any prior authorizations. Repurchases may be made through both public market and private transactions and may include the use of derivative contracts and structured share repurchase agreements. The repurchase program has no termination date and may be suspended or discontinued at any time. The stock split is expected to be effective after market close on Wednesday, October 2nd, 2024. For shareholders of record at that time, LAM Research common stock will begin trading on a post-split basis at the market open on Thursday, October 3rd, 2024, under the company's existing trading symbol, LRCX. As a result of the stock split, proportionate adjustments will be made to the number of shares of LAM Research common stock underlying the company's outstanding equity awards, equity incentive plans, and other existing agreements, as well as exercise or conversion prices as applicable. The company anticipates filing a Form 8K with the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission after the occurrence of the stock split to report an amendment to the company's restated certificate of incorporation affecting the stock split and reflecting a proportionate adjustment to the total number of authorized shares of LAM Research common stock. So there's more information on this page, of course. I wanted to just go ahead and briefly, just do a recap of that, talk about what it is, what they specialize in, what type of products they provide. The key points here is that their ticker symbol is LRCX. They are having a 10-to-1 stock split, which will occur on Wednesday, October 7th, 2024, and on Thursday, October 3rd, 2024, that's when you'll actually see the stocks trading after the split. So whatever the price is at that time, it would be divided by 10, and that's how much every share would be worth. So just for example purposes, it right now being $1,069.82, if it were to split today, hypothetically speaking, each share would be worth $106.98. Now, between now and October, which, as I mentioned, we have July, August, September, and then October, we're roughly about, we can call it, it's July 18th, so we can call it 3 months or 2 months and some change. It's possible that the price will continue to go up. So if by then, at that point, it's $1,200 or $1,300 or whatever the case is, whatever that price is on October 2nd, that's when the actual stock will split, and on that next day, it'll be at a lower cost. So as I mentioned, some people choose to buy in before the split, so that way when it happens, they have more shares. Some people choose to wait after the split so that they can get the same stock at a lower cost. As I mentioned, totally up to you. I'm just providing you the information. Make sure to do your research and invest wisely. So if you all did find this video helpful, if you all did learn something today, or at least find out about a new stock split, and you found it helpful, please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell icon so you can be notified on future uploads.